Conveyor sushi is so cool. The entire restaurant is themed like a train car in Tokyo. The sushi comes rolling in on a conveyor belt. It is all you can eat. On the top, train cars deliver ordered food. I grabbed a California roll from the belt. Did you know that Shinjuku Station is a real place in Tokyo, Japan? Look at these awesome robots. Ordered more food. Seals are very loved upon in Japan. Shinjuku Station holds the Guinness World Record for the busiest train station, serving over 3.5 million passengers every day.